there's no complacency here. It's like when you can't deal with the pressure, you either give up or you find, you know, extra yard or two, an extra gust of air, and you go, I'm going to go beyond. I'm going to try to go beyond my limitations.
First of all, congratulations. It's been a long... it's been a tough 11 days, but everyone stuck together, and to see the enjoyment and the smiles on the faces is so important, and it's a great thing to see. To Asha in particular, to Kanika, to Richa, like, to stand up. I just think it's important to acknowledge that what was said out there during our bowling innings, that it's really important that when we're on top, we stay on top, and if we make a mistake, we don't drop. That was just noticeable today from the sideline, and I know you girls had spoken about that before we got out there, but I just think it's really important that we stay on top, and if we make a mistake, it's what we spoke about and Virat spoke about today, that everyone's going to make them, but it's how you respond, and maybe we dropped off a little bit there, but we then picked it back up. So I just think it's really important that we acknowledge that and make sure that we try not to do that again, all right? But again, outstanding performance, effort, you know, the work you've put into the prep. The girls last night at training in particular went in with a real purpose, and I think it showed today. So congratulations.
It was great to see the turnaround with the bowling. How much of a difference did Virat's pep talk have on the girls?
Oh yeah, look, that was really special. I think for lots of reasons. I think we've been building as a group really nicely. I know that losing the first 5 games is not ideal, and certainly we've been really disappointed with that. But I think there's just been a sense of real cohesion and the team staying really close together, and we've really been enjoying one another's company on and off the field, and it's just, you know, trying to find that gel, and certainly today with Virat coming in and chatting to the team, and, you know, just kind of expressing firstly his passion for the club and his support for all the girls, but also I guess that, like, you know, with cricket, like it can be a really tricky game. It can really knock you around a bit, and you've just got to hang in there, and I thought we did that tonight. We started super well, and then, you know, we sort of fought our way back, and then that was a really special innings from Kanika and Richa there at the end to get us over the line, so I'm super proud.
You were on fire today. Did you enjoy bowling on that track?
Yeah, I think we've all enjoyed bowling here at DY, a little bit more than at Brabhorn, but yeah, more than anything, I thought the way that Soph started tonight for us with those 2 wickets in the first over, she swung the ball, it was absolutely awesome the way that she bowled, and then Shooter backing that up in the second over, and we just got off to such a good start, and then the way that Asha bowled, like, far out, that was just awesome. Like, she turned the ball big, you know, she kept taking opportunities, and so I just think, yeah, that across the board that was really cool that the girls played as well as they did.
You're not here to give freebies to the opposition. You put your bodies on the line, you get into a fight, you get into a tussle if it has to be done. Till the last ball is bowled, the match is not over, or till the last run is scored. If that means you have to fight till that last run with a teammate of yours that you play with, otherwise, it has to be done, because this is the team right now, not that.
फील्डिंग में आपने जान डाल दी. क्या था आपका इंस्पिरेशन आज?
आज विराट कोहली सर का इंस्पिरेशन था.
कितना इफेक्ट हुआ जब वो आके आपसे बात किया, पूरे कैंप में समय बिताया?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था जब आज वो आए, तो एक इंस्पिरेशन है वो मेरे लिए. उनको मैं काफ़ी फॉलो करती हूँ, तो उनसे सुन के कुछ बातें जो चीज़ से मुझे लग रहा था कि ये चीज़ स्टॉप कर रही है मेरे को अच्छे रन्स के लिए, तो उस चीज़ पे मैंने वर्क किया आज.
Kanika Ahuja, a player that we are celebrating, and why not, 46 incredible runs today. Kanika, कैसा लगा खेलते हुए? पिछले गेम आप बीमारी की वजह से मिस किया आपने, पर आज तो धो डाला.
हाँ, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था जब मैं अंदर खेल रही थी. बस दिमाग में यही था कि जीतना है, आज तो जीतना है, बस वही चल रहा था दिमाग में।
और वहाँ पे खेलते हुए कैसा फील हो रहा था और बॉल कैसा आ रहा था?
बॉल आज मेरे बैट पे अच्छा आ रहा था, मतलब थोड़ा विकेट में टर्न था आज, फिर भी आज मेरे बैट पे बॉल अच्छा आ रहा था, वही मैंने कंटिन्यू किया और उसका रिजल्ट मिल गया।
Whatever said and done, right now I'm standing here and I can tell Smriti as well, think of yourself as a batter. But when she goes out to play, when you know the bat goes up and you want to hit a big shot, suddenly you're the captain and you're like, I can't afford to make that mistake. So that what if becomes bigger when you're the captain and you have responsibility. But I think what helps is the team culture. If the team culture encourages even the captain to take a risk and be like, you know, it's all fine. We decided this as a team. In crunch moments, I am going to take a risk. And if it doesn't pay off, my teammates are going to back me. It's not just the responsibility of the captain to back the players. I think it's the players as well, especially for someone who's captaining the first time, is to give the captain a bit of space and comfort as well. That don't worry, because you guys have played together a lot. It's not like a matter of, you know, she's 10 years senior and you can't approach her and say anything. She might need comfort as well. That's what I found as a captain. I didn't have many people approaching me so much because I was looked at as a guy who can manage a lot of things. So it was like, he'll be fine. Let's take care of what we need to do, and then we can ask him all the time. But trust me, the person who's leading gets eaten up the most inside. So they need an arm around their shoulder as well a lot of the times, and that really, really helps.
Mike, congratulations. We seem to have gotten off to a start with the points table. It was great to see all the players coming in together. We got the opposition out, however, the middle order today with the chase really chipped in.
Yeah, I think when you're 4 down and your 4 big players have all gone, you know, you're leaving it up to some inexperience. And I think the fact that Kanika and Risha played the way they did, you know, really bodes well for the future of RCB. The fact that, you know, a 19 and a 20-year-old can come out and play with that much composure. You know, Kanika chose her attacking options incredibly well. Risha controlled the chase and then decided when she was going to put the foot down. So just a really, really pleasing effort from, as I said, from the inexperienced ones with the bat. It's great.
Ben, we saw Sophie open the bowling for us. The fans would want to know, was everything as per plan and how it all fell through?
Yeah, look, it probably was just something that we decided at the ground. So, yeah, Sophie bowled pretty well in the warm-up and swinging the ball, and all the bowlers were swinging it. So, again, the play bold mentality and you know, get someone up front that was shaping the ball. So, yeah, chuck the ball to her and see how it went, and it went pretty well. So, yeah, just really glad that the team's adaptable like that. So, yeah, just saw the conditions and went with it.
Ellis, we saw you having a chat with the team during the huddle. What was the conversations about?
Oh, in the timeout during the game, just I think we were just talking about. Obviously, we had a really great start tonight with the ball, and then UP got a little bit of momentum back with a great partnership between Grace and Deep D out there. And I think just when that break came, it was a really good time to just remind the girls how well we'd been playing tonight, and you know, to keep kind of competing and pushing for that next wicket, because it just felt like, you know, even though they were playing well, it was only 1 or 2 wickets away from things, you know, really coming back into our favour. So I think we were sort of just reminding everyone, you know, to be really confident and to keep, you know, being attacking and aggressive out there tonight, because it was very much going our way, and it was just, yeah, I guess making sure that we stayed in the fight today.
The early wickets truly made a difference for us. You had mentioned that Asha is one player to watch out for. How good was she today?
Yeah, like the way she's come on with her leg spin in particular last game and today as well, and probably had a couple of chances put down as well, so her figures could have been anything. But yeah, a domestic player, you know, that's a real one for the future. So yeah, really happy, and just happy for her that she did really well.
Congratulations, Ben. Look forward for plenty more chances.
No worries, thank you very much.
RCB! RCB!